how to find your Google account ID. The first step is to log into your Google account. As you can see, I'm already logged in here. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture and then click on the option Manage your Google account. You'll be taken to this page. On this page, you'll need to click on the side menu on the Data and Privacy option. Click there, and in the Data and Privacy section, you can scroll down. Scroll down and you'll find the option to download your data, okay? Scroll down a little more. There you go. Notice that here you have the option to download or delete your data. You're going to click on this first option, Download. Go ahead and click. You'll come to Google Takeout, and in this case, as you can see, I already have a file here that I downloaded because I already requested it. In your case, if you haven't requested it yet, this won't show up. You'll see the option to request it, okay? You create it. So what are you going to do here? Since you only want your Google account ID, you don't need to leave all of these checked, okay? Otherwise, it'll take a little longer. If you want, you can uncheck all of these boxes. Go ahead and uncheck them. Now here, you're just going to look for the Google option, okay? I'm going to type Ctrl+F here on the computer keyboard. I'll search here for Google account so I can check only that option, okay? So here I found it among the 77 Google services and products. There's Google account right here. If you don't want to search with Ctrl+F, just scroll down the list, check this option, and that's it. Once you've checked this option, as you can see, you'll find data about your account registration and activities. Now you just need to scroll all the way down. Go ahead. There are a lot of Google related services there. And here you click on this option, next step, just click. Now here we're going to choose where we want to receive this ID, this file from your account, okay? So in this case, the option is to send it by email, all right? They will send a link by email. You can click, you can also select for them to send it to you, for them to save it for you on Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive. Anyway, it's up to you. I'm going to leave it here on the option to send by email. Below, there's an option for you to receive it more frequently. You can just receive one file, or you can receive it every 2 months for a year, okay? 6 files. I don't want 6 files, I just want one to find my Google account ID. So I leave it selected. You don't need to change anything here, okay? Here is the file type, file size. You can leave it as is. I'm going to click below to create the file, okay? I'm going to click in progress. As you can see here, the file is being created, okay? They will send it to your email. Since I've already requested it, guys, I already have it in my email. I'm not going to request it again here. I'm just going to cancel because I don't need it. But I'll go to my email and show you how it arrives, okay? It's already arrived for me since I've requested it once before. So let's go. You will receive an email like this, okay? You just need to click on it. As you can see, the data is ready to be downloaded. You just scroll down, you can scroll down.
Click here to manage Google Takeout. Click Done.
Now here you scroll down again and click to download. I'm going to click here, download, enter your Google account password and click next. The file was downloaded here. After you enter your password, it downloads right away and you can click on it. Here's the file. You click to open it, click again on Google account, and that's it. And then you'll see 2 files here. By clicking on this first file, you'll already find your account ID. I'm going to click, it'll open, and here, folks, you'll find a lot of data, including your Google account ID, okay? So that's how you find your Google account ID. If I helped you, don't forget to help me too. Subscribe to the channel.